This is a hike that I did in February 2018. This is with GNHA. This is the hiking club I belong to. And we did this hike. This was up in Shining Rock Wilderness in the Pisgah National Forest in North Carolina. This hike was quite rainy most of the day. We had some good strong hikers, and most of them seemed to really enjoy hiking in the rain, so we all had a good time even though the weather wasn't the greatest in the world. This hike is known as the Other Green Knob because we do a hike over in the Middle Prong Wilderness that visits Green Knob over in that area, so there's also a Green Knob in the Shining Rock Wilderness, and so that's what we call this one, just to distinguish the two. This hike started at the Big East Fork trailhead in the Pisgah Ranger District off of Highway 276. We took a steep user trail up a ridgeline and met the Mountains to Sea Trail at Green Knob. We then followed the Mountains to Sea Trail south and met the Bridges Camp Gap Trail and took a side trip over to Skinny Dip Falls. We then descended Bridges Camp and re-entered the Shining Rock Wilderness and enjoyed some beautiful river views, completing the loop on the Big East Fork Trail. So as I said before, we had a good strong group of hikers. They seemed to enjoy the hike even though the weather was not good. It was raining most of the day, but we had some beautiful views. The Pigeon River in the Shining Rock Wilderness is just beautiful. I didn't take my good camera with me on this hike because the weather was forecasted to be quite rainy, so I did just take my cell phone and took videos that way. I did manage to get some nice videos along the Pigeon River. It's just a really beautiful area in the Shining Rock Wilderness, so I hope you enjoy it.
Yes, it should be a beautiful, right there.